Are you strapped for cash and need to start a side hustle? In this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to start a side hustle so you can make money in 2021 and beyond. Coming up. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Lon Jordan and I am a speaker and author of Sketched by Design. And I give tips to help people discover their unique design so they can be successful in the 21st century marketplace. So how do you start a side hustle? Well, first, you must have a boss mentality. The idea of being your own boss is extremely attractive. And being able to have the freedom to do what you want, when you want to, is something that most people desire. But as people become their own boss, they begin to realize that it's not as easy as they think, and it takes a lot more work to experience the freedom that they desire for themselves. Having a boss mentality means being willing to work after most people are done working for the day. Having a boss mentality means sacrificing and not spending time with friends so you can build a solid financial future. Having a boss mentality means not blaming others and taking responsibility for your actions when you've messed up with a client. Having a boss mentality means going the extra mile and delivering on your promise, no matter how tired and frustrated you are. The reality is, you have to have a boss mentality to create an additional stream of income and grow and sustain that income over a long period of time. People have to be able to trust you before they pay for your services or buy your product. People have to believe and know that you will deliver on your promise. If you feel like you're getting value, make sure to click the like button as well as subscribe. And make sure to click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. What tip do you have to help someone who's trying to build a side hustle? Let me know in the comments section below. Second tip, you must identify your gifts and skills. An important foundational piece to building a side hustle and making money is identifying what gifts and skill sets you possess. Now, when I say the word gift, I'm talking about a natural ability you are born with that you don't have to learn because it's already a part of who you are. A skill set is a learned competence through training. For instance, a person who has the ability to draw and paint and who has never taken art classes is naturally gifted. A person who has learned computer skills from on-the-job training has learned a valuable skill set. Being able to identify what gifts and skill sets you have is crucial to being effective and making money with a side hustle. The question you need to ask yourself is, do my gifts and skill sets complement the side hustle I am interested in pursuing? A lot of times people pursue a side hustle without asking themselves if they have the gifts and the skill sets to pull it off. Many people fail not because they're not gifted or skilled, but it is because they haven't looked inside themselves and done the research to figure out what gifts and skills they need to be successful in their field of interest. Identifying what gifts and skill sets you have and doing research will help position you for success with your side hustle. Third tip, you must make time for what you want. It's not just important that you identify your gifts and skills and know what side hustle you want to pursue, but it's also important that you prioritize your time so that you are able to reach your financial goals. Scheduling 2 or 3 hours a day where you consistently work on your side hustle will help position you for financial success. Inconsistency breeds frustration, but consistency and discipline breed success. It's also important that you eliminate excuses. We all have things that come up unexpectedly, like family drama, medical bills, or setbacks at work. But the difference between an unsuccessful person and a successful person is that an unsuccessful person makes excuses, but a successful person eliminates excuses and disciplines themselves regardless of the circumstances. Prioritizing your time and eliminating excuses is crucial to creating an additional stream of income. Question of the day: what challenges have you had creating a side hustle? Let me know in the comment section below. To learn more about how to start a side hustle, make sure to watch my How to Start a Side Hustle series. If you felt like this video helped you, make sure to share it with a friend, click the like button, as well as subscribe. See you in the next video.